Yanom Bato Bia to say. The GT se mubia hoye. Edo chedi ampon nanuma se pa se hoye. Miss me hoye. Woni bi nim. Asumdwi nko a. Yeti ase nso tip atiapo eka ho. Nene motimi nka enye bone. Eye bone kura mpanifo se ikuram. Na ayem se free 22nd no. Inyantie se aswati ni ehene baba besra asante mine na nam se asante mine sesi a one Ghana ewo yonko fenti na sebi enya sebi abra asante mine so ibu Ghana amambrenti na wo se aswati ni ehena wo ba no Ghana fo so ehu ne bi sene amamre ne amane etie yewura aswati hene ebeduru asumdwem mboko ya boni bia ama na sene sebi miwura is supreme imperial royal majesty da wo ye no oje ne feso ye ne tata ema obodwa esoso ahye ne munyam na ye mana okwa aba okonso esre onyankopon se omfa ne nkro na saani mai ehwaho ye bi enipanum bi ekasakasa ebi ne Kevintila ntase ya che no eza se wo papa oye parliament chief ewo inkrobia ewo sebi central region Portempo sebi enya wano eye ya wudi atem kora ka obi ni mu papa Kevintila enya wano eye ya wudi ni patemu tu ni pa ho kansam chire ni pa ya ka obi ni mu papa aswati hene enye nne na asantemani aswati ebefa yonkun dabi aswati mano kingdom no ebu asante kingdom no fitete wonum na ne from Swazi ye be Swatini no onum bu asantemani enye nne na efa yonko eti so obi firi se nro ya na asantemani enim Swazi be Swatinia ene you are joking ahoho bebre ba mo ma Ghana ni mo no ye asante ye no mayon kofa ye no one relationship na ye bu Ghana constitutional mandate and right and requirement inti owo bia wo ba sante nkem ye manefa Ghana so and waba esanse asante enye independent state at the moment and it say sebi enya ado asante menya hoho na hoho no ye transfer no with all due respect amoku sebi ekohunu president of the nation and as the country no one ne kasa no oba ni wura nchania eya amono asebi munya bibi di free politics ho no eya amonka mo no ntum na ya mo hu aniwu initially na me kasa wo ka vintila wo nyansa but later when am hu say wasem bia wo ka fabricated unia dance here to say you are too corrupt or you're too looted or you're someone honestly speaking we are one of the bad notes because honestly aswati hene oba wan ho oba Asante Kingdom ho but now Asante Kingdom is part of Ghana neso oba Asante Kingdom ho say ni tie bia no as I said protocol be a fact Ghana na require a state visit. So, Emma Ghana as a country, no, you respect sa procedure, no, send ye beya, enko fanta wanta wabiama. Na nyesa wobi bi enu ha wosoro obi. Na dear etosubium. Ewie me hu video bi. Na video na me hu ye no, emfa mase bi hu, but me reho pa. Me reho yi, me re chese. Me reho yi, e ka se me ensu enwume ensu nko na enwume mewra hoyi nya mie nim ne kurani chese de o man panyini yewra John Drummond Mahama I don't know say Ghana politics no oboye no primitive bika ho on civil nature no is too much and I say sarcasm ne teasing and membe ken and crofo bi e de aye o matade and o mo mpaboa yes woman is unbearable. And you're very unbearable. What you know baby insist so. Na me obusa me magenchara. Me nkontompo na mempe. Na me mo obi kwan mo fa sabi. Me ya santini ya ma santimemu. Me nim tete ya santefo de maye. Me nim sane sabi yete ye mpotemo ne ye mantemo ene ye nkoromu no. Me nim sane ye yen. Enti sane social media ba na nkrofo ba bigu so. No one ma be kan sam ade ato asantefo so agu ye hufia ene de me ma honkwan. Ano be baba bontene abeka bakwasem adistorte no adie sabi asante ne monyama twitwiri fom a me makwan ezaza no koda no sabi enye se ni ho ewo ho eno ho de me makwan na emom me ade a mechiri eye nkurasesem ne nkurase ne ye me a very simple person me boy o esan say sane wo wadwene ye wo wadwene sane ye wo nipa wapo ho no wo hu mi a odwene se me boy because oh what you natural so be apo na so mun cross ni ye ni mun cross ni ma mo ye no it is too high, it is so unexpectable so wutimi kura contain that behavior so we ye nipa ye radon mahama na yiri lady me minimu no mi hia ne da Mrs. Lodina Mahama mu pray very dirty politics. We never saw Baumia someone who gini more and our full and in and nonsense politics. John Domani Mahama na yere Bonnie Ben Wayam Ghana for Bonnie Ben na Mrs. Lodina or Ghana or dear pan why you be a dear no offense in the say no offense in the say you crab president. Maybe a 1 year in a memono and a part to chronic room no won't pay. Is that offense? I don't know offenses one. You are picking on this lady unnecessary. What? What kind of behavior mo? I am some money ate. Mo Ghana for na mugo. Dem cross some no woman. Te say can be tell abrabo. A dozen insult here and there. Na me mremumu. E to baby bremu sa political party no one people ni and this no. They are the people behind all this uncivil attitude. Everywhere. E ka menko. Na kasa politicians no. Ya hangi wonu mu nyina Africa Ghana anymore. Because they are worthless. Oh, woman amma we no nyina kwan because they woman the chie nipa kase ka bin tella and the crofo so mu nidi mpanifo atam tribal politics. On says here edane personal attack. Personal attack and edane. Lord Mahama dey no ayemo. I just want to have a sense of what is going on the social media. Okase wonye nipa owoma. She is a mother. And she have children. And she got family. Ya ne busuya for so dono. Na ne busuya for ebuno. Na what busuya almost free self. Almost train on mashradie. You as a person sitting everywhere talking about people's family members. You don't even care how one person will go through. One for Lord mama wanted make a baby for bian. Or mediatam or may use any few words. Or make any your friends say, or may express any political tribal ibia or mekabi. It's in the criticism one said, Nuku, a president. Na the first term no was so incompetency. Nani kunazaba. No be no duma, no one in party and Nukumu, and I want in ye Nuku leadership skills. So why are you attacking her? Me become a but I'm too pained about that behavior. Yeah, most of the Ghanaians. Moya some cross the same way we are. Near time near the best ya Santifo. But yes, Santifo, and near my way at the Tiasa. Ye nebi. Santini Pilla ni best animal way. O Santini Vienno. Santini Bay and a sabi ya yet you. Yet tea yay. Mamma, what shall open chilla say? Mammy Sebi and Yard Sebia brow. Mamma, Miss me body custom. What disability? Na yeka disability Ghana no enem cross 701 fees or makosiku. Cabrofo akese actually said they have sense. Ghana na kaso bi o mental health issue. Ono kaso bi a oro no ho. Na na de jada so na itie twa pese. And this is the reason why many of the people are committing suicide every day. This is the reason here. And now don't know be another social media. Now what nimpen for them? Most of them are mental problems. Kevin tell Obin also a mental problem. Children nurse. All these people, they have mental issues. But come to think of it. So Obi Kasa. Me, a lot of people, including myself, we have a lot of people have a bit of disability. Especially so pronounced here, dear. Obi o kasa na ehunte. Etu obi o kasa ni kasa huntimi nya clear no. Enche se wonima dia na wonim kenka na wontimi ka brofo. This is unbelievable. The woman is speaking a good English. Brofo all can work a good grammar. And you say what the past tense present tense. And I say what missing the verbs. That is not the case. But the case here is the kind of speech, the kase muno. There is a disability wom. Okasa, you can sound the say. You can sound the accent to say. And yet now the you're gonna for your accent in it. There be natural catchy kurano. You can trace that disability home. So why are you laughing at her? Why are you mimicking her? Why are you putting her on your pages? What the conference or you having here addressing issue not addressing it there. You never talks about it. But brofuna no wokan. You are mocking it. You are mocking her. You are teasing her. For what? For what? Why are you teasing that woman? I just want to understand. Sebia nya sebia bra. Yentete wana. What you mean who nipa or a little bit of disability? You can't see them. You can't. Take a disability chile obi or ever fine. What kind of disability chile obi up then you fra? And I can disability chile obi and etc. You need a very highly education. And I can disability near cry for autistic child. Huh? Do you think that's the only disability? I have a disability. May the similar situation this woman have it. So most often I take my time to express my opinions. Mommy, she was speaking every possible English, okay? She was reading all right. But why are you laughing? Because she can't pronounce properly. But tie the sound, listen to the sound. Tie the way the sound in the back. Does it seem clear to you? And to why are you laughing at her? Somebody's mother. Because of politics, when they befa ba omiya ya no abedi na tem. When they befa we yira no na be so no odi na tem. When they befa we kuna no te say enye swade. When they befa we kuna wo bone dia so bam no na be so no odi na tem. What kind of an Messi come in Ghana? I hate it. I despised it. I can't make Ghana no menka ubi. I just despise it. I curse the day I am part of these people. I'm telling you, I curse that day. Yeah, na many friend dear. Me beti Ghana na si ya. Me who say, abominable say me a part of you, these people. It's answer, you are evil. You are selfish. You are wicked people. You are too greedy and you are envy everything. You don't speak positive about any good things. Everything disrespects attitude. And collect dim penny for them to swim and Cassia, a tom penny for and one for Cassia. Unnecessary comparison. Or be no being a penny compare on them together. What the fuck is going on? I am too pissed off. Today's supposed to be most of my excitement day. But honestly, when I came across that video, I couldn't even stand anymore. I just want to be depart from Mosa Ghana Fui because this association is one of the most disgraceful association ever. Whoever lead this Ghana to come on will be cursed forever because this country don't meant to be together. And we are not meant to be together. And so say we do not have any common and nothing. We don't share any common attitude, common language, nothing at all. Honestly, why are you mimicking Lodina Mahama? Why? We're not Kevin Taylor Sebi. Jimmy, what Jimmy was what is Sebi? Nakawo, did you even have a family? Senya did the attempt and abedidi And yet you kind this if do you have a family? Do you? You don't even have a family. You don't have a family you represent to. Obi as I would do papa do. So from my micromo, a person would know exact family background. Also, I know better now in the pattern. But I'm warning all of you. Most are Ghana for no. Hey, some more free say, some more timia, more ankasa, more application. Say after the air, perceive free Ghana. Yeah, sabi. In fact, despicable people. More despicable. A lot of you. One yansa or Ghana ni mono. And you bet 30% out of total 100%. And you more so. You more yansa no. We know them. One person bad but we know them. What kind of behavior is this? Mommy, Sabia nyado Sabia bra. I didn't know the Mahama, why ya wo? Wabia tilo the Mahamed, na no kasasi wodi obiatem. Ana, what nano to tunu kruparity simu. Ayabasem. It is mandatory say. Oba ukun, eko padi abakotokono, wodi na chi. Now the one na ko no be hu so ba no obo ne kun. So no kun ko kampa wodi na chi all right. What is everybody's wife does it. Bro for can e dey. Mami no. Wakachi kura. Waka no ane kasa atwi no. You can see it say. She have a little to say me to be in pronunciation. It is very hard for me because I've got a little bit disability. You can't disability. Ghana they are not educated. Ghanaians are not educated. From top to down, they are not educated. Imagine, say no more city as a say no more translate even bro no more. It is disgraceful, unbearable attitude. How could you do that? Posting her everywhere on social media, giving English captions. Say, hey, Lordina Mahama is a disgrace to Ghana. Or a disgrace to wo papa wa mo bra. Or a disgrace to mamia. What him ya mounted yet? Now I'm mo bra papa. I'm a decent life. I'm a one mu penini. Now to social media didn't penny for them. Or a disgrace to na one third generation one. One man team ya making anything better of their lives. Now you have to keep anything on social media to soak pens and penny and coins to eat. They started somewhere. They have forced themselves to reach where they are. But what about your own parents? The one you are laughing at says, "Yeah, say, na brophobia oka." She has supported her husband. They moved from the very low ground, and now they are the top amongst the people. Where is your own parents? The one you cannot mock them. What mammy brofo ben what can call mammy brofo? Na fabato want him here. Hey, brothers and sisters are more straight, Lord Mahamano. More call mammy no papa. One a brofo. Namu fabato want him here. Mrs. Lordina Mahama is very decent. And your disability, I have it as well. I have the same disability. And there is no way, say anybody should be allowed to intimidate, mimicking, and picking up somebody because they are not in the same party with them. They don't like them. Because they... What kind of damn attitude is this? Huh? What? If nobody tells you, I will tell you. I curse the day when I begin to realize me yet. Ghanaian. I curse that day. I always curse that day. I wish I am who I am. Me ya kani am ye masantini. I curse that day. Ya me team and who say. Me better tin ya masi abra minyini. Na me hu ni papa ya mo Ghana for mo ye. Me hu asubi e wo mu. Me hu ani bre. Me hu ani eswade. Me hu sebi. Mo yo bias na pesa mo no toto mo class. Sana anu ya mo ye. Otumfo ba ti say. A decent young man like Otumfo ba nana twitwie. Na matamakrano. And I ready there's something inside. Uni what say is inside. Uni what say inside. I don't get you. Or say twitwie have got no time. One time, or the back comment on your useless social media mouth coins, you know, or you're busy because his life is already choosing for him. Then the part already get that for him. The money is already put ahead of him. The children is already guaranteed. Now what year is already made. What ho? Akofa was say twitwie. Na sebi ni court na hye no bra. What down now renting the 10 years and betime twia 20 years among. What is all this going on? Why is all this attitude being tolerated in this country? Ade brofo ye kasa. Mama no just want to brofo. Mrs. Lordina Mahama. First lady brofo. What making kind? But their lesser disability, the same as mine. The same as man struggling to bring the words clearly. Obroni biele ni hokabrofo, they will crack and they will promote such a erade. The band me I didn't know what some best uncle for be. I didn't know what some best I gonna for we be. I just dislike it. The two of you me bo fool. Sabe come on. Me no be a nyame nam sure be. Me timi kura sure be adakro na so. Me timani na me timi some ye Ghanaian. I prefer to be a Nigerian. I prefer to be someone from a Nigeria than be part of you Ghanaians. More microphone and Timokasa because you speak the local language. And yes, come on, most uncivil people ever compared to any country. Sakrofoti kasa mo Ghana for mo kan. Na me pompa yesem krofo benya sa idea to start to translate most of the things we said in social media ranges. I just pray. More you disgraced. Most Ghana for we. You don't deserve some ukwambeze say. Me pompa se Ghana Africa be musumai. Mukasa Nigeria for name. I work with Nigerians. I know who they are. They support each other. Just imagine two ladies. They come from the same state. They don't speak one language. But guess how they relate to each other? They barely understand each other's language. But here, multi-Ghana pia and clanibet miakachi. And when I not for not for baby obiakachi. What back and be obiakachi. Yet, you are protesting to use English as a local language. Such despicable people. Despicable nature of you. What should I be part of these people? God, why? Because I am not happy to be part of you. You were disgraceful. Why did you post you? I post you Lordina Mahama everywhere. Why? Why? So you have not even experienced a disability before? You have not. Do you understand disability? Do you understand it? I don't think you understood that. Disability, do you know people that are suffering from disabilities? And that's okay, disability ni obi anezecha, na niefra, na necha, obi atategunu ho, and now obi asebi, bibi aboni tinimo esi ho. Yeah, you can see. Is that what you describe as disability? We have unseen disability. And crofobia omukasa hunte. They have disability. May a part of those ranges. So why did you have to mimicking her? Posting everywhere. When you be a crown, just consider she's your first lady. Why? What be disability? You are just mimicking her. And she's a disgrace to Ghana. Or you're disgrace to your useless Ghana. What Ghana? Idea Ghana. I don't blame all of you. I blame the same political party and the because those people are people hiring you to insult and attack everyone. I don't blame you. What the hell? Can't you really understand disabilities? People have learning disabilities. People have speech disabilities. It will name speech disability. Huh? Don't you know? Have any clue about people suffering from speech disability? Don't you know that? You need to know the difference between this and that and consider it because disability. Tangle, bye. Me broko kra. Why? Na did you tam sit there and I find here? Learn. Disabilities are real. It is there, and people are suffering from disabilities all the time. Thousands of people are suffering from disability. One kind of disability say we are say a dozen. There are too many. So the party no one pa. Fine, that is your opinion, your choices. Me NDC, but it is my choice. But do not making and tease or bar what is a mamia, what would the ma? None of my equally in this social media, our family. Now, wouldn't perfect say, Lord Mama, the casa, there is an issue. I want the casa, eti Adiana Mode make why? I couldn't stand on this. Najamiya too much. Najamiya. Ade. Contribute a bit civil for once. Yet mean mutual a little bit. Just put political aspiration aside. Focus and be mature. Be reasonable. And ye everything be near the politics. And ye be near the attacking nipa. And ye be near the solitary nipa. This is really primitive lifestyle. Maybe what is you receive disability, no? I have the same thing, especially se me asma attacker. Because I could be I won't. So why did you have to mimic it? Why? I will stand for this. With no circumstances will I permit anyone to mimic someone. The disability, you wouldn't prefer say that is a disability. Or catch you as an and cast an here. Worse, no, it is the same thing. So why? So thank you for taking a little advice on the amount. Because it is very painful. And you have been a pet, set a certain condition be banned. So only sicker. Or when be a woody, but on to me and ye be a farm. And yes, I want to me ready, or ready all right. And yes, I want to me cover of okay. But the speech, you know, dial selected with disability to be auntie, say no sikasa. Namu for respect any day. And my people with such conditions. Namunya some watake with partisan politics ideology. And you shameful. Very shameful. Oh, all of you, shame on to you. Now, yanko Swazi, any Asante Kingdom. Asam the song. Eddie Cano. Oh, thank you for ironing my uniform. Any Cano, medical can be kakrafa, free mind. I say from free mind. They are born our panta. I say, okay. Ya say, whoa, what the ho? I say, what two for body and boom, what say? It be also so, what say? Politicians be back. And must have politicians never encourage I with two for them the day. But Brana MPP or power. Now cry ADD. Chiame attack Asante left and right. And in tea or two for crying say Mahama ye. Tina won't walk over city Mahama twice. Na bra na kufuado or hono or two for a call. Say Jubilee House was a day or call her once. Cratchy, a fro, free mind. That's good. Yes, very good. Just hang it on that hanger for me. Cratchy, a fro, free mind. I saw a lot of people under your comment section. No more comment to say. Wo you wise into no muti wo. And no thing I make us say. Sometimes it breaks my heart to say. Me sorry no pa. Na makai. Na me who say me a Ghana ni. Because most of this youth for it to almost said that some penny phone in you are almost a baby fat and penny phone it at Trebiano. Minia, and you're very sad. Do not keep your hope too high. Any future, Ghana do not have a future. Now, one necromo to a woman and penny for Cotter FM station. Listen to how they speak, the tribal sentiment. Look at that, the hatred. Now say Penini or ye. A very professor to me want to say. A dent in the Kim Paluta. Then you makoye. Say GCS or say SSC. S a question. A unfair to other tribes. Just imagine. No student raised that concerns. It was him. His idea. Every student have the right to raise a concern to the educational board. But no student came out to raise any concerns. But a whole professor sat and make this remarks. Do you think you have a future? No. The tribal issue in Ghana, Minya, Timase, say I'm breaking Ghana into two. Ye be was Rwanda. Bibi ne hold ye at this moment. Now they ne hold ye no. And put it to you, and yes, for. I am telling you, they are the peacemakers. And yes, sir, by now. Yes. Why? What happened? Is that the new one? Look. Just leave that. I use that at the weekends. So I'm just using this tomorrow. So fine. And my trouser, and that's it. Eti, minyanum, and taking it in the bad offenses, say, and that's a bad way, say, because menum who sent me a gun in here. Menum who sent me a gun in the pa. Say, me we a woman and be better. A kind kingdom and a Santi kingdom and Timor. Can be so happy each morning I wake up from my bed. I will sing and call fairies to bring me drinks. But I brought me realizing the beers me can't crawl for. They do not have understanding. Most of them. It breaks my heart into so many pieces. It is not make us. And now cry me no to. And then yeah, me no to. And penny for better bontene. But make a lot of accusation, trouble, sentiment, attacks, and may you be back. But defend this idea. Yo, me adult, me and penny for, or me and most of them are above 60. Some of them are 55. Some of them are even going 70. They are the people behaving like this out there. Now, if it's a sancro for the entity and memo and omonanano. The same tribal hatred. And omodia grew woman, a groom woman, and you know one. So let me tell you, 20 years to go, write it down. Ghana do not have a future. Opio catch us say Ghana a future biano. Just mocked and go away. Ezan say, yate omayimu. And then Miss Way. Afena Miss Me Eko and Peninimu. Na so abra na me yawu mi kumase no a. Meti asafo. Na ho na ewo metete me ma nyi yawu me ma. Me ba panyin wo ho no. Brother sister, believe in me. Na me ni ma de friend no. Indifferences. Se we yemfante. We yanwunani. We ye pepeni. Ni enim. We all live cordially to each other. Ye nyina yeti bom. Obi ni way. Ye nyina enim se nipa ba akofo. Until recent. Senya recent kwa kamini mu da. Sem papa mu ni niema ti se na wo. Na minim. Eno se na be rise se o time no wo ye mu no. Enye ye ni o. Efrifie ya de tete ye. Ene yesu ya de Cowardice. Ya ware ani apasia ma ye yerenom ni apasia ma ekurum ni ekurum so apasia ma onum ma so a generation to generation it is sister tiasia ni engu Ghana no obi anta no baby and na dia somdwe beba anya sa forget it de be si Rwanda no esuase Ghana de no na mo nkrofo help a lot ya Santis na abrantie ye fe no free mind yi o ka sa asem no wie ye so otumfo o say tu nyame kase me bo dia na bom mu ase e wana me curious just want us to listen to ade o person kato so was in say da bia Ghana for e ka kire mo say abra bi NDC beba no NDC bu otumfo sere MPP na NDC ni power na MPP wo power na ye di chiame atem na ye di na nkura ne empenifo di chiame atem na bere bia NDC beba power no na satem didi ne kwafo na we kire say otumfo is supreme leader of Asante Kingdom ekura nim say NDC eye party papa ete wo so otumfo ka free mind anem wo na mo free mind a video no emu ase na mo comment na mo so wonim nyansa this is the reason why mo tie no Ghana Samu munni abrewa na otumfo oman enyansafo asen wo enimdiefo asan ni papapafo asan na ne pom ye manwene ma asa wo mo adache obedi mo onim no ebi ni ho wo mo na di ntokopefo ebebe o manim sa wo no mo tete wo no ntokwa wo mo na bese o man wo be duro man nyina agu eni ti obi a prepare hunsie because in enkora when you wo mu so be mpanyimfo we ni mu a na wo mo mponi. Now what I was wondering is free mind. I presume say oh yeah this ni waka e wo video mu bebe. I condemn and MPP several times. What did Nana Kufuado attempt several times? But the one I find it very weird. Whoa, free minding. You were the same person I was a wedding Yankupon or cum or tum for. So when Yankupon cum or tum for, I won't know when you so Yankupon. It be also so or tum for. And some Kasia and Wafa or Cafano. Sebi, Chame, what did not tell me several times? I'm about you. Whoa, yeah, MPP near now we end this. Free mind. Whoa, yeah, MPP ni and now we end this. That means a near man allegedly yet in an reality a yet a crack. Say, free man. Akoto, adasini boy no, ya ane namono. And some ben akoto come for for and some bear. Allegation. Accusation, lies, blaspheming, a ben among come from for 2 4 on your NDC. Bobby answer, why ye a biological asante? Bobby and son, Tinawan Kase. As I say, o man penny Mahama, I'm a soldier for a bois sante for. Now, ye sante for. We are the biggest problem near car for our memu. That's why me am a boy and kaya none to my own power. Obi ansanya endisini. O mane boama. O si asante for. Say a pe womu omu bo meyi. Ne womu o ma say Ghana. Ne womu omu pesa o mangana ebe koso omu ya bro. No mo minise nipa. Eye nwan ma sante for. Enyo o mane boama ne kan. Akwa kakrakan onye endisini. Ede manisa za ayino aga no de no one can pass until sa rafo na wose wo freedom fighter and MPP bada na the freedom fighter ejai adam na the freedom fighter otimiko yesi wose yesi national cathedral ko bubu niema be yesi hajj ayi a friend say camp ewo airport mfimfi ho abrante no anne ho de onko bubu no ana say how the uncle sodintia ana waka na no atulu ana say the oso okun ma Africa unity ana say the oso of Africanism na kanin na no ogirigina kwam stop ka say potwo se oho no won man fa sabin toku ato ama omo ko no ma ba bi na so no kanin na na market di ko woni ma me panimu atem ato no ho sin jimini kwase asemu sa ko for the some asantefo mumu ne munua asantefo mo muwa eti MPP na beto abama ma me peni mo be wo ne back I don't know the waka on what to. I just want to know I humble questions ebi also I just want to know akwaya if I say Kevin Taylor I just want to ask me person busa wo free mind say Kevin Taylor why na Kevin Taylor ya dwuma man MPP and NDC one di asante atem one di chiami atem say Kevin Taylor one di intina that means tike ocheti kase akwaya no se so asante ni one di chiami atem di asante fo atem SSI NDC ni papa no to da bia no sweetheart can you okay atam esene sam crofo ambodi omunyina NDC for I just want you to tell me say then a sudden NDC bar power no atim de ni nyina say akofom it has been diminished. Why? What happened? Who bribed you? Who warned you? Who suddenly advised you? And na de why na etum for yeah na wo free ma wo di wo tum for atem e dia santimatam to ye ho kasa wo tum for nyame kase e bo odi ara bom ase e de ne see. Do you think Asantis are stupid like you people? Is that what you think? Do you think Asantis we are just Ogrofua, you're too loyal? Me unti min persuade me. Se me we everyone this year. Me I feel happy and I feel proud in a decision. Me we everyone PP in a decision. Me MPP ni obiele intimidate me. So I will not permit anyone want to intimidate obi or end this mo. But that do not change the fact say more and this for and Korano was the same people. Na mo attack Chiame. Would diatem. Tia the quality a giant. Mo buying a bar power. Mo buying a bar to me. There is no need again. It is not necessary. It's as Otu for Kronu and Amoyano. There were so many powerful legs around the world. So many people that bow before him. So many countries that are connected to his kingdom. And now, Wabayaba. Sabuya the same attitude of man of Mufirishi because because what meant to me comments here. Otumfo naturally loves everyone. Yes. Otumfo naturally loves everyone. Or you're a very genuine person. Or a clean heart. A person that can easily connect and relate to. Spiritually and physically. Cannot be underestimated. Otumfo is very genuine. When you be a wasambone, ne mom sabi enyado sabi abra Otumfo sabi nyansa boakoa eni Otumfo nani sruma eni ni nyansa wompam nipa ontiti nipa emwa bia wo so de bo obi o de bebo aswati hina obae a creative privileges among the whole country abra yewura Emma, a friend say Canadian ambassador or invite man by. And create a whole privileges out there in my country, you know. A better American 4 years so suspended Ghana aid, you know. Yet to auto for there are a whole lot of things and yeah. So basically, he play a very major role. It's as a man in Ghana, no. Me not. It is a ne wo free man quadrable platform so. Now kasa asem we dia you are giving us a clue who mayati asese and you NDC for ne harm because all of you are NDC and sudden 1 year John Domani Mahama ba power all of you are my moods maka mo anotum and ne katachi free for no bebo mu birebi atwam ya okotsina mu TV channel katachi free for santini what no bebo mu obehye mu che red ni bi he made the same statement. Yes, that assessment, Lester will, what can be paying. So Lester was on, so ya Santini, and I find was here, and I mean your master for, and will be a problem, and I may, and I find was here. But just yesterday, what better not want in Casse, and this at the position more be a crumb for. Ya okum nipa, this same person, because he did not have anything from them. Mani Buama, are you crying? Don't cry. Babies don't cry. They just ask. Namu ya mama warning. Her children are saying, sometimes I don't want to mind that guy. For me, or mental problem. So I'm telling you today, that guy was too rotational. Or you're too rotating until me stand still with his reasoning. Somebody that could not reasoning continuously have issue. And now, waba no abe kanfo Otumfo nya no hwe onya boni bia no wasaba no abe kansa makese e china no waba no abe kanfo John Mahama adechia no waba no abe di John Mahama tem no atoto no ho no abe kanfo Kufuado no abe to no ho ose hana no korewo. It's only a fool who do not know obi a onnimu nyansa onnim said the omo mental issues no acting and a bedroom say he is speaking sense. Na Ghana and say if you so be a mental issue ntimi kasa straight to or kasa straight, but his attitude tells you say we or mental problem. So children us a mental problem. So me he is not my big deal. Or you a very typical a mentalist a problem person or to na djumukan beto na uhu sana djumukanwa. He would take care of himself. He would definitely take care of himself. What? Na obi say David, you know. Honestly, I'm also MPP ni. But yet, this guy, do you know why he's in MPP? I will tell you later on. I'm a catcher also. You'll be surprised. Sakwan. Akwagina enwura bi echi se okọ Ghana. Okọ Ghana be ma wo so wo kokuduro. David, nye na wo sia se wo ba Ghana kora be ko banhia. Na wo wako botu ho no nyewa. He. Enya wo na wo ti social media so. Se wo ba Ghana. Wo David, wo se fraud dey. Se King David as a wine. King David anoya. Wo so ba Ghana. Wo be mo bia wo bi no betima wo hwe na wo you untouchable. So why are you hiding? I don't know mama ba say, "Eh, be on. I hear am from Cowardice. Mama usuru." Mama ba, so you scared? Cowards. Peeling in their knickers, yet blogging like brave warriors. Cowards. You are all vegetables. You are cockroaches hiding under catches. Monya obimpo. You are not even anyone. Me, sa me bagana na bese mbadoma. Me badoma. Now I'll make sure to pack myself. Yes, because ya me baby and it's your I will pack myself. What baby ano? Ubedi kansa na me matoa so. Now there is one thing you need to remember, say. Won't me near sante and fatia menfra. Ama yenu mienu nyeri na wo Ghana ho. Ene die ensi da. Obi obeka cho se besi bia no boa. Na wo boa. Esa say. Enye wo bia na dwene ba ko obiase. Obi ankore na dwene e never sati we so. Ebia wo de oye enya hwefo ni bia. Ebia wo de enya oye o ne se wo ye krache. But there is some people there, they never forget, they never let it go. So, some microphone bino. Do you think that would David ko Ghana? They will let you have rest? No. They will make you have rest, a permanent one, but not a rest that see your enjoyments. And it's so Ghana. One know how to social media see. Hey. Ono mama banu money ada manu amode ti social media si o ko Ghana hide side sara yonjo this oboye obeka na sem omoye ntoto fi wo mu ju so gu omu nikamo mu na mu so mu ye mema esa social media is cheap esa social media talking nobody actually obia me obebia eya wa phone eya wa data na broadband wifi na use. So basically, what done out man, I want to so be and charge you. So it is accessible for everyone to access. And they are bragging. And now what to on office that they are champion. And we are following this cowards. Whoa, say, Ubetima, wouldn't Ghana? Now Ghana. I didn't know hiding. Why are you hiding? Because of what Bema. Mama Bassy, hey yo, now I find uncle to baby, I will be a crime, identify baby. So you are scared. Mama Ba. You were scared. Upon all this, you were scared. You were scared. I thought say you are too brave. Okasano ni yeno at what tronu chato sonu when you saw the no penny for them the kakraka. I thought say you are not part of the people that are scared. I thought say your daddy, your father, hold Ghana military, or don't check Ghana military so my military protection, no more security protection. To Ghana na airport wow. Private jet never found. Wow, private jet never could see me and pumping near rock or near guide. I thought that is how the reason is. That is why you express yourself using any language. For big people. For highly positioned people. I think Sana was an name and you don't have it. You don't have it. Wow, the wow who can't even trust security back who come and more by. Wow, won't even find the pack wanting to back say protect me. And I want no casting with social media. So, her social media day. And conform room a life for the air. And dear ma and Crawford, I would disamo a dorsal papa. And Crawford church or my woman's bookum. When I'm catching on. The other time, I just have a conversation with a certain person. He was too wicked and too silly. I said, you were a human being. You have to have a feeling. Then he cut the phone. Hey, Mammy Cassam Pancho. Ghana, are there any ho? You could na police for your mojuma. Yes. When I know the Obian will be protected. It's more shut the way a music such and penny for more very sophisticated. I say more. very highly sophisticated. Yeah, baby tumwa. Nobody will hold them responsible. We know Ghana. We know Ghana. Etienne, King David ya say one David. Wanu ya no vim out the way. If indeed so akwa Ghana, let us know where you are, and we will pay you visit. Now, sa akra no friend young John no. Anso no onya American book no, or South Africa. Video call in South Africa hotel. Osro so be on location. How could you sell your soul? How could you sell your freedom? How could you sell something that gives you your youth? All because you want to have followers and you want to have coins to do properties in your country to attempt after and I'll come for attempt na no one like it and no one subscribe because of my 24. And yes, something what time or what time I can bit you. Unless a total be na moody. What more back him for be at a momunya sa trend in Libby. Miriam, when you're very careful. Very, very careful. Because Ghana, be too we are near Chincrophone, I'm telling you. Or call Ghana executioner a year for the hawk, or call that prison you and you'll be D. Or call. So what you need to be very careful of your attitude. I'm going to talk. Coins like a crab was a centi. More sorry and Crawford me highly sophisticated. Now more compare a crab podia editor to one. A crab podia, number the two. Confess be or Hinibia or Crabia. Social media but cheap punty. Near the number two. What in the crack is so too for nay, the attempt. Near the attempt, Bassam to what? Ebra. Sao he not say a crapogian. On to me, he can't even order 2 policemen say. Make sure some betching or you'll be the man. And ye, I just say, is a banana, Juma. Come to think of it. Emphasis way and trust in the infamy. I think 7 who said, Minia, but could be Abba life. I swear to him. Yamu akwaba iwra. Me yiri se oba obe hu Asante Kingdom. Na obe hu se ne yeso so yamamre ne amane etie. Minim se moka Zulu kasa ena nambili ena ada kusia language ni adade. I'm not really aware na mitimi pronouncing the yenso. Na yewra yani age se obae. Echere se we chere se beto berebi no Africa we have hope. Ahemfo no ebesa take over. Na say ya Amsterdam. I think say Belgium. The king have sent an invitation to visit the king of Asante Kingdom. It's as say some politicians ya o my ceremony. O my ceremony, yet recently went to the parliament. And they decided say one mukra budgetina. One spend edima a Belgium monarchy no. One more can't or more cut expenses of budgeting no. Yeah, a de ebo monarchy no hobra. I feel so positions be ne maybe a grophobia na was a cat or mu or more canya that no or more a better so Belgium hene who say politicians ye near to money tongue. They don't respect the monarchies. It's now he have sent an application for invitation to Asante Kingdom. Yeah, very soon you will see it real life. You'll be visiting Asante Kingdom. So there is a hope and there is a need to discuss issues like this. It's answer I am assuring you. Just recently, Buganda hene. You already can't call because there was a certain affiliation that was between the politicians and the Buganda king. And it's a Buganda hene. Or you're much concerned. It's answer. Politicians want to take the bread and butter and eat it with their family and leave the rest of the land disastered. And it's a Buganda hene so. Or yeah, 1-2-1-2 na politicians no told almost is I say nipa correct nipa kakra say nipa be 5-6 if you omon kwan ho. To almost suffer you or call Buganda only in your kasai. Recently, Buganda hene so baba besra otumfo say too. They are trying to take back their legacy, their identity, their birthright. Our DFN democracy is not meant for we, the black people. We have our own moral status. We have our own tradition that gives us the guarantee to respect, to have a certain reason method. And it's yeah, DFN democracy, no. I bet say I bet I Christianity, a whole lot of things. I bet corruption bibia. I could a muadie, chrono, azan, corruption, looting. I am for the amayisu nagaram say krubia. So I have seen say a lot of monarchy is connecting. Highly monarchical countries are connecting. Na yewura feno King Charles just recently Commonwealth a meeting. Will make a very clear statement. Say people that previously one kingdoms no masasino, they have to be a need and a law to protect those kingdoms from the political eyesight. Because of who say politics for Nankasa is much involving in UK. Monarchy nimu, they are talking anyhow, though they are not confident enough to make those decisions. But idea boy UK no a House of Laws, any House of Commons, which is legally accepted. Yeah, my politician be upon to pass law. Aje him for no approve it. This is the reason a boy one. Na Aswati for. Yakra Santi Kingdom. Enya independence. Eja Aswati for. Aswatini, yeah, Swaziland no. Onmunya independence. Ewo si offense 1968. Omo ya British colony. Na 1968 no Ken Shuruza ebedi ade no 1973 we all the political democracy ni bibi oyifido what the political party say you don't need them. Remember they were part of South Africa, and 1973 was official date on by independent states. Yeah, they were kingdom within South Africa. The same year, 1970, was Nana Opokuware making a similar attempt. Magana for Satamno na ya papa. I'm 75 no more your more QT 75, 78, 75, 77, 78. Yeah, a more the free for champion. Sakwa de enum jiwa no no. It is 70, 71, 72, 73 na Otufo Opokuware ekoshia Swatini hine UK. And at the same agenda on what they call it. But this state they are bragging, send an apology. Thank you very much. Omode a chopper ekoma UK monarchy. Say yemfama Otufo Opokuware. Ofri o obese ko Brazil. Oko Spain and obese ko ekrobia so ka ho that time no na Otufo Opokuware obese ye independent states na so Ghana rolling time omo de achopa koi e kire se de atiane se ye divide omano enso saa ebi so yaye omano e mu nipa aware. That is according statement amedema emuni power wale na ya live cordially to each other na eniema bebere ho ya bomu and they will need unity to build a country forward. And this is the discussion. It's taking so many hours between Queen Elizabeth, Otufo Opokuware, and the Rollins and other states which they never share with you. Otufo said to buy. He wants us to go. He wants us to go. Ghana for Obia misleading with us and tintin. Don't believe them. Western Togo and betting ya ten. It just need a referendum. Yeah, referendum. Na a yes or no. So Western Togo and for a 2 years, the independence country. Ghana supposed to be a federal state, a federalism. But unfortunately, somebody who is greedy just made it in the trust state. But I did what who say either unitary state or not unitary state. There was a certain state they were given independent freedom. At say Northern Porter Strait. Where Northern Porter Strait? One year Asante Kingdom. From 1935, officially Asante have a independence, you know. They and the North people are always together. Obin Konya, the young they are always together. So 1954, North for near Asante, yes, onum is a Satana Santino, and a Benin, a Bepimunina, political annexation do not have power. And it doesn't give identity. It do not also exhibit where somebody's culture or demands language have to be. And it's more reading more kasa no. Very, very shameful. Niatiane say, regions was made for administrative purposes, and it is well made. In law, it is well made. To be intimate region and any kind of authority and a power. And I say, attorney is answer. It is not like that. It was made for administrative purposes. People within the same annexation come from various parts of the country, have families, have connection, have kings that their stool is under. And it is obi or baby. Now I'm beso obesiade. Now region you on one quarter region echi. Yakasema, forget it. It's just a call to be in or to me or ebedi asem with your mano. Echi ya share Ashanti Kingdom that time. Before from 1954, Ashanti Kingdom 1954, 55, 56, 57, even 1957 Ghana gained independence, you know. Now Ashanti Kingdom was still the same. Till 58, Ashanti Kingdom was still the same. Till 59. 59 ya becha Ashanti Kingdom 59 3rd of April 1959. And they said na obi ba bonte na ka say na Ashanti for yentiatia no obi so obron region half of region. I was some part of Eastern region, some part of what's no so one ka ho. A very pathetic situation. It is often say obe make you be just mimicking yourself first. If that is the truth, then and Ashanti for yakrofo ye no mo na nyina na Ashanti for no. And in those time, you know, Ebon East, I have for some part of Eastern region, was all part of the Asante colony until 1959. Mid 1959, was say Atebubu was not part. Na Atebubu what the Sorana. Na Atebubu the gravity not Mercury, and I not Jupiter, and I not Mars. What the fuck? Huh? I could be what table quick to be finished. These people they don't want to learn. Atebubu is part of Asante Kingdom. Atebubu crowd or migrated from Asante Kingdom. Atebubu free dance kokubiante. On na number 3 from. And now finally on better na glass amai. Ata from Tokwa Kumewu and Atebubu. How and Kumewu for na no ya basa for bi eko basa for no munua no ni Kumewu for. And na glass amai for. On musunya ene sankrofo mu binom ene Atebubu mo migrate be se kwo ho ene dem asemini Abro region was yet the toy 1959 and so automatically obi a Abro ni oh asam way medwunu ho now I'm having a headache, you see. So from the 1958 Atebubu was all part ni nyina wiase ekrobi Atebubu e krache ye fra wa Musa na ebe kache me say Atebubu ye bon Musa bra and mama disrespectful. I respect a lot and mama disrespectful. Musa ebe chere me say Atebubu ye bon. Do you know our history? Unimi history. Do you know our identity? Do you know our migration? Do you know our clans? Do you know where we end up somewhere? Atebubu not here say. Asien atia bebu for. Musa, be careful and stay where you are. Oh, ya wo NTDI. Ya wo NTDI. Does it make you indigenous people? Who can dangerous for no? When you omo eye nkrofo ah. And I want to chill krona papa kan Musa. O ma make obi na chill krona na. Just imagine no for her. Ya kama pusi ni kusasi. Nyame ayadom na me we kotoko hene asumbia ba ho. wonya baby near war. Hwesonet na wona abechiro bia bakosemu. Atebu asante mamu no fidi. Agona samai, agona samai hona note. E ho no fidi ya betra baby anote. Ah? Just imagine. Hey, Bra Musa, with all due respect. With all due respect. In the name of Yana. Because I respect him so much. Minim trouble crowd. So yeah. Kusasini, Buzangani, so yeah, Frafreni, we Mampusini, and now we the Gumba, minim, but mind your business. Your why doesn't mean nothing. Now, Adeba kwa, one say, Ekrobi, mammy, Ekrobi, a table of Yase. Sell chrono, na good wapa, Yase. Huh? Corner shop. Have you got money? £1. Have you got money? Ask today.
That's it.
Na ewiase no na abrofo no grow ketu abi o ye wate bubunim abrofo no ani asante ye treaty etu wiase de so se ewiase ne ye omo colony eti ewiase na wate bubunim asante ani British no eye a treaty aba ewiase I British boy because that's the cow wiase wa ba. So you see na 1958 eho nyina ye Asante Kingdom all eho nyina ekowura north num kakra kwara na ye ne enwam northfo no obi nkonya bi enena minim de abete bahira hamu atosem ne kontomposem ne ensem wentesa na obi gina babi no ka so asem a ensi ye no abodo tofa na ogina ho ka akura so woni mo si so that's the truth anya sa Asante ni north ye ba ko a wo mukura ne di kan ko independence ko mo ye omukuru ko mo eye Asante North Protectorate ewo ayi efe ne say 1954 so na bra wono mo eye census anase wono mo eye efe ne say omo to so aba wo a British Parliament no ekwe 56-54 because Kwame Nkrumah was given a chance to give a speech the reason why as I say North ni Asante no yeah womo be come for 1 hour and just two vote to pay and a man North any Asante be can go Christian and yes I can North ni Asante no can they komo ni komo ni 2 ways komo can you say the eye in you so anything we should not lie na Swatini no 1968 no nya independence from the British colony amo Kensho Louisa ebedi ade no collapse politics every kono o collapse politics every kono kora and a total monarchy and a be 73-75 a be full monarchy the same time no ayi abrafono Queen Elizabeth Frey Rollins and some statesman omuko patch wa amopo tumfo pokwale esa me kan Ghana but won ti ase it is a krobia per se enkura no won ye a colony independence colony no obi be so ote no ho Ghana ntimi stop on nemum e wo se wo famra emra kwan so enye se obe ho se separatists so the basa ye bebe kronim daddy ye nya ne sa nemum you have to do an application to said the NDC and MPP election you'll be given the chance to do your campaign. It was a state in the founding in to be your campaign. But before then, no, the public have to made aware. Say this is how it is. Enti Asante Kingdom nekwa na Western Togola nekwa. Or say Western Togola na year campaign after they have made it aware within the country. So this is the best set referendum dates. ye nkrofo kwa akoto aba ye nkrofo mo ye Western Togoland fo nko a ekwa akoto aba yes e be se ye ko and I know ye be se etenem but even some to know no kura na there is still thousands of chances say obesa ye another attempt so what I say sika hu say otu for odogana no sanyasa ke lamenting your frustration your expression all tell say most of the Asantes want to go but so otu for ye ready gentimi ye need to me ono kwa na tumi ni nyine kura no na dia wusu ni muni da bia kan you are doubting o kasa what sa Asante kingdom free Ghana ni mu ofa bonaka ho ofa bono istaka no matter whatever until say abaye bi ebeto no yes or no yati yes or no na say no edoso a na say bugusu atena Ghana nim what I know most of the bono east most of the people will be persuaded to vote no but yes still Abun East, the total population there, yeah, Sebia, a 2.3. Kumasekura is highly populated than both Abun East. And it's yan who share kwani ebe faso unite ye ho. Yan who share kwani ebe faso keep yourself together. Ni enyam papa mu ni atosem no ne. Eni bre ne wotan hu no a obi pese opagya obi ya wote ni kuro obi mu se opese wone a whole Asante hele yepe so propaganda everywhere it wouldn't solve any issue. So Asante kingdom decided to go for referendum. Na Ghana granted a referendum to Asante kingdom. Asante kingdom kwa na ya crave se wo ho e wo legal map mu no ene ye beto yes or no. A legal map muno, international legal map muno, and international documents muno, and a better yes or no. Asante region, any legal documents muno. Abon region, it is only in administrative documents. It's a Pacific name why the map is a name it is a Abon regional house of chief. Asante regional house of chief. A half of regional house of chief. So administratively, a statutory body. For recognition, it is not a power of attorney and a jurisdiction. It doesn't practice a traditional mandate. It will be any who bit me as I say any power over there except Utumfo. Person bet say. And there is one thing for sure. Adie baako was a say nyina ye jitum se. E nuanom ebunu east. Ye nyina nuanom ye chebonye ye moja abako ye moja abako we have one broad upel ye moja abako eti ade was here and say we should seek how we can unite ourselves and develop ourselves. Is that say ya no edi bekaso and somewhere ka go abonju and sesa the reality and sesa no e daye ne so you all wake up from our dreams. Edaye ntiminya no Aswati for no kora no e can one of the most young kingdom Aswatiland. They were just hunters. Obvious Ubuntu for no most of them are part of them. Inunguli part of them. They were all hunters. So yeah, baby on better now, they just come on hunting. As yet now, you assume them say a powerful kingdom, even comparing them to Asante kingdom. The BNP Ghana no a woman be able. It's say now the political section creating regions. It won't feel that they are in their comfort zone, but that is not the case. Asante kingdom is way far advanced, have a lot of historical evidence all over the world. Aswati is one of a young kingdom. They were hunters. And Asante kingdom, they were warriors. Zulu Krano and they powerful no, cannot be compared to Asante kingdom. This is Aswati. But just that now they're doing really well. The son said 1970s, no, they were not. Oma mo bi am persuade wo mo abrom corrupt politics no. On mo full total independent states. That is what we supposed to do. Hey, sister. So that is what we supposed to do then by Otunfo Prokwa. And it's a Senan Kuti Wallace Assem. But anyway, it is not too late. Minim say yura Otunfo say to anya. A certain king will come and he will do it. Minim say one day Asante will definitely become independent kingdom. But they will never depart from Ghana. They will still love them. I know that for sure. Yeah, it will be BBC. People will begin to say, I don't understand. Do you respect who respect democracy? Yeah, by exercising in Ghana, 1957. How far can it go? Democracy, no? Apart from 1957, legally independence to Ghanaians. How far can you take the name Ghana? How far? In what historical proving? You can't have none. You cannot. Any evidence now? Do you have a land as a Ghanaian? Ghana or land? Ghana or land? Ghana nibi. Ghana do not have nothing. Adia Ghana war. Memorandum of understanding. Any constitution. Yeah, may consisted to be one individual. To respect the nation. To abide with the rules. And only a war. But initiate can be motivating your control be. So, my brothers and sisters, thank you very much. Thank you for permitting me your time. Say, me used to with time on kakra. Now so I'm a quine. Now would see me. Now minim say a little by little no. What time no? A lot of people will begin to reason. And if I be best as I get near my baby. Be abstaining from a certain things, no. Baby Christianity. I better me preaching no. And near my way your name, yeah, but nothing to me can. So when we begin to come out from our shadows, we begin to participate. We begin to participate. Listen, with all true and honest respect to everyone, Ghana and Yasante and Kanto question. I'm telling you, they are too good, they are too kind, they are too tolerative, and they are two people that really cares about everyone, but nobody cares about them. Obi a catchy and need the Asante for them. Obi catchy and need the Asante for them. But there's millions of people that misbehave on this social media. Ranger or munya Sante for. So it be cry and one for a be just say. But Asante will never deny Crawford. They don't deny people. Oh, me jam say. Na say gay rekurano e minim se onyasa. Asante never deny them. They take all the accusations. They take all the insult. They take all the attacks. They take all the backing. Though omo cause problem no, they are not even Asante. Ade ba ko my Asante for edi ni say. Ebia na nim so bi bandani. Wo for you no fi se bandano onye Asantini. But Asante nim Asantini. Eti se bandani kwa kan asem na ebedi Asante for atema. Asantini meka bibia se. I don't know e bandani na mbedi di Asante for atem. Inim se oye Asante oya banda Sante. Enti Santini bi ankahwe. Sala na obi ahafunia omu nyina Asante for obi kure mosini oya Santini obi de gombeni oya Santini obi so Asante has so many compartments and so many sections. Name the majority group within the Asante is the Akan group. Akan group name and the most common language here transcending a tree. Nanchasa Asante is all about she. It is not true. There are various languages our Asante. So thank you for giving me your time. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. But my melody na there, please, with all due respect, we should not mimic that woman. Me sad disability me will be. So we me kasa hunte. Especially abra menya smart attack. Me hoto me use me hair and me hoto me abe a few bear 1 hour. Me kasa e hunte ase. A disability. Any mubi you struggle with. So when you be kasa na hunte ya. And sreno one of the most disgraceful attitude. And sreno Undukunu a politics wompa and just say you have to disrespect the woman. It is not fair. That woman is good. She have never offended anyone. Please, with all due respect, we should respect her and respect every leader. Please. Thank you very much. And I must say, I'm so better you are. I saw life in tea. Or say me end. Yes, sir. I do babe mo. I do babe mo. Me da wase. Di nyami jamo. Ma bye. Da wase. Ma bye.